Hi everyone, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. So, today we are going to learn Python operators. So, what is Python operators? How we have to use? All I will show you. So, you guys can say that okay, we already have a discussion about Python operators, but why you are discussing it today also? So, the reason is today I will tell you only I'll talk in operators and in a deep dive. Okay, so here they have written operators perform operation on values and variable. They are building blocks of Python expression used in calculation, comparison and logic. So friends, if you have studied in your school, they also have learned operators plus that we call as addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions all are nothing but operators. Now, the question came in our mind is why operators are important. Operators are important because it will help in decision making, used in conditions and loops, and it is essential for real world problem programs. For example, if you are using loop, there also you are using operators. If you have to make a calculator, there also you need operator. So for each and everything we need operators. Now, categories of Python operators, that is arithmetic operation, assignment, relational, that is for comparison, logic, identity, membership, and bitwise. Next, arithmetic operators, that is used for mathematical calculation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage, and all. Now, 1 minute. Yeah, modules. So all are arithmetic operation. Now the thing came is addition operator. Addition means adding something. Add two values. For example, 10 plus 5 is 15. That is used with numbers and string as well. Same with subtraction. Subtract one value from another. 10 hyphen 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Multiplication operator when we multiply two values. So division when we return floating points result 5.0. Floor division means return integer quotient. So when we divide, some quotient will be there. So that will take as a result. So that we call as a floor division slash slash. Now modules operator, that symbol is percentage. So that will return remainder. So 10 divided by 3. So remainder will be 1. So that is module operator. Now exponent operator, 2 to the power 3, that we call as an exponent, that will become 8. Now assignment operator, that will be used for comparison, is equal to, plus is equal to, minus is equal to, integer, division. So that is the assignment operator system. Simple assignment is equal to, that will assign value to the variable x is equal to 10. Next is addition assignment. So 10 plus, that is 5. Subtraction operator, multiplication operator. Next, division assignment. Rotational operator, compare two values, return true or false, that we call as a boolean also. Now equal to, double double means 5, double double equal to means that is result will come as a true. Not equal to is exclamatory marks, is equal to is not is equal to. Greater than symbol, less than symbol, I hope you can see it. logical operator that we used with boolean values, yeah, and, or, not. Logic and, true if both conditions are true, example true and false is equal to true. Logic or, true or false, that will become true. Logic not true is equal to false. Identity operator means compare memory location, is or is not. Identity operator, A is B, check same object in memory. Checks different object, A is not B, that is identity operator is not. Membership operator, check presence in sequence. Membership operator, if check if value exists. Membership operator not in, check absence. Bitwise operator work on binary values used in low level programming. Bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise XOR, bitwise shift operator, operator precedence introduction. Now, precedence means defines order of execution similar to board mass. If you don't like you, I hope you people all know board mass means B means bracket, O means off, that means multiplication only, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. So whenever we do any arithmetical operation, we follow the formula of board mass. So that is nothing but operator precedence, that what we have to do first. If bracket is there, off is there, inside brackets if some multiplication is there, so first we have to solve the bracket value, then off value, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and at last subtraction. So this process we used to follow. Now precedence example, 10 plus 5, and that star is there into 2, so how we will solve it? So according to the board mass, first we will solve this part. 5 into 2, 10, then 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So multiplication came first, so that is nothing but board mass. Second, using parenthesis for clarity, 10 bracket में है, multiplication into 2. So what you will do first? First we will solve bracket, 10 plus 5, 15, then multiplication, then it off, that here this star means off, so then it will come to 2. So 10 plus 5, 15 into 2, that result will come 30. Now common operator mistake, confusing is equal to and is equal to. So ignore precedence. So here we can't follow precedence. Best practice, use parenthesis for clarity, write readable expression. Summary, Python operators, that operators are core of Python used everywhere in the programming. So thank you for watching Study with Varsha. Have a great day guys. We'll meet in the next video. Have a great day.